To install Dropbox app on our Mac, at first we need to open Safari browser and then we just need to access Google. Here we need to type Dropbox for Mac and we'll see this link is there. Just click over there and very shortly it will open the install screen. Here you will find a big screen install. Just click over there and then just type your username or email address and password to log in your Dropbox account. Once the login is successful, the Dropbox application will be automatically downloaded on your Mac. So you can access the downloads folder or you can click here and from here you can see the download file which is DMG file. Just double click over there to open that DMG file. Now we'll see the installation window of Dropbox. Here we just need to double click on top of the Dropbox icon. I'm going to double click and very shortly it will be open like this. Here Apple is giving a warning like this application is installed from internet. We just need to press the open button to start the installation and very shortly it will be installed and configured properly on our Mac. Very shortly we'll see the welcome screen with the next button and then there are options to use the free option or upgrade it. I'm going to use the free option and then finally I'm going to press this open Dropbox and very shortly we'll see Dropbox icon on our desktop and here is the files and folders for my Dropbox account which is showing here. I'm going to close this thing and also I'm going to log out from the browser. This browser basically I'm not going to use later, so I'm going to log out from this browser and then finally I'm going to close this Safari browser. And now let's open the Finder and once we open the Finder, left side we'll see Dropbox. Once we click over there, we'll see all the files and folders of our Dropbox account. And that's it. In this way, we can easily download the Dropbox for our Mac computer and then we can use it.